I've never heard of this in my life. How did that happen? Because, again, I had mammograms every year. I have no risk factors. I have no risk factors in my family. I did not have a lump. I did not have pain. I don't have any genetic predisposition to breast cancer. I got it then. I was shocked. I was scared.
And how are you today?
I'm good. Really good. Really, really good. I'm very, very, very lucky because they found it so early. What I had is a lumpectomy. The surgery was successful. I was able to go back to work for the Super Bowl. I'm also taking a drug called tamoxifen. I'm taking this for the next 3 years.
And now you decided to let women know the importance of getting those screenings.
The more that you talk about it, and I think just demystify it, and it's okay to talk about, it's okay to share, whenever you're ready.
And you have 3 daughters.
And I have 2 daughters, and that makes it even more important, right? Because you want to think about your